Hello and welcome to this video on the 7 key stages of the product development lifecycle. In this video, we will be discussing the product development process, which is the process of taking an idea or concept and turning it into a finished product that can be brought to market. The product development process can be broken down into several stages, each with its own set of tasks and objectives. Understanding these stages is critical to developing a successful product and bringing it to market. So, without further ado, let's get started. Stage 1. Ideation. The first stage of the product development process is ideation. This stage involves generating ideas for new products or improving existing ones. The ideation stage is crucial because it sets the direction for the entire product development process. There are several methods for generating ideas, such as brainstorming, customer feedback, and market research. During the ideation stage, it is important to consider the target market, the competition, and any potential obstacles to bringing the product to market. It is also essential to evaluate the feasibility of the ideas generated during this stage, considering factors such as cost, time, and resources. Stage 2. Concept development. The next stage in the product development process is concept development. This stage involves taking the ideas generated during the ideation stage and developing them into concrete concepts that can be further evaluated. Concept development involves creating sketches, 3D models, or prototypes to visualize the product and test its functionality. During this stage, it is important to gather feedback from potential customers, stakeholders, and experts to refine the concept and ensure it meets market needs. The concept development stage also involves analyzing the potential costs and benefits of the product to determine its viability. Stage 3. Design and engineering. Once the concept has been finalized, the next stage in the product development process is design and engineering. This stage involves creating detailed design specifications and engineering plans for the product. The design and engineering stage includes tasks such as selecting materials, creating CAD, computer-aided design, models, and conducting simulations and testing to ensure the product meets specifications. The design and engineering stage also involves creating a bill of materials and establishing a production plan. The goal of this stage is to create a detailed plan for manufacturing the product that can be used in the next stage of the process. Stage 4. Prototyping. The fourth stage of the product development process is prototyping. This stage involves creating a physical prototype of the product that can be tested and evaluated. Prototyping allows the team to test the product's functionality, identify any design flaws, and make necessary modifications. During the prototyping stage, it is important to create multiple iterations of the product and test them rigorously to ensure they meet specifications. This stage involves a significant amount of trial and error and can be time-consuming and costly. Stage 5. Testing and validation. Once the prototype has been refined and tested, the next stage in the product development process is testing and validation. This stage involves conducting extensive testing to ensure the product meets performance and safety requirements. Testing and validation may involve laboratory testing, field testing, and certification testing. The goal of this stage is to identify any potential issues with the product and ensure it is safe and reliable for use. Testing and validation are critical stages in the product development process and can be a significant driver of cost and time. Stage 6. Manufacturing. The sixth stage in the product development process is manufacturing. This stage involves producing the final product at scale. Manufacturing involves several tasks, such as sourcing materials, setting up production lines, and establishing quality control processes. The manufacturing stage also involves creating packaging and labeling for the product and setting up distribution channels. The goal of this stage is to produce a high-quality product that meets customer needs and can be produced efficiently and cost-effectively. During the manufacturing stage, it is important to monitor the production process closely to ensure the product meets quality standards and production targets. Any issues that arise during this stage should be addressed promptly to minimize the impact on production timelines and costs. Stage 7. Launch and post-launch. The final stage in the product development process is the launch and post-launch stage. This stage involves introducing the product to the market and promoting it to potential customers. The launch stage includes tasks such as creating marketing materials, establishing distribution channels, and setting pricing and sales targets. Post-launch involves monitoring customer feedback and sales performance to identify any issues and make necessary adjustments. This stage also involves conducting ongoing product development to improve the product and meet changing customer needs. In conclusion, the product development process is a complex and multi-stage process that requires careful planning and execution. By following these 7 key stages of the product development lifecycle, you can create high-quality products that meet customer needs and drive business growth. Remember that product development is an iterative process that involves testing and refining the product at each stage. The goal is to create a product that is both functional and marketable, and that can be produced efficiently and cost-effectively. Thank you for watching this video on the 7 key stages of the product development lifecycle. We hope you found this information useful and that it helps you develop successful products that meet your business objectives.